Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am moving out of my parents' house at what, 25, 24. As you can see from the title below, I am in Senegal, Mbour, and we are currently furnishing the noise. So we are currently furnishing one apartment, and that's basically why I'm here to do the furnishing with my mom as well. And also, I'll be showing you guys glimpse. I wanted to show you guys the market when we went looking for furniture, but because we don't know here that much, so it was hard to figure out places. We just went with what we could find, even though we didn't get exactly what we wanted. So yeah, guys, I'm going to show you that, and yeah, you would see everything throughout this video and all that. The noise. They're actually fixing the TV, trying to mount the curtain tracks for the curtain, and yeah, that will be it. So yeah, guys, let's go upstairs. So guys, I am currently cleaning and it's 1 a.m. and I am so tired. My eyes are puffy. My mom is currently asleep and I am trying to clean up this space so tomorrow we can go get search for carpets and dining table, I guess. I don't know. I think I mean, yeah, that's it. I honestly don't know. I think we're getting a dining table for me and then carpet. I think that's all. Yeah. Hey guys, it's a beautiful day. So yesterday I ended up going to sleep actually and started cleaning this morning. But right now I am going out with my mom to get some other things that we'll be needing for the house. I'm thinking of getting bar stools, but I don't know, probably a dining table, we don't know, and a rug. So we'll just go to the market and see what we can find for today. I am so excited for this, and yeah guys, so let's head out to the market. Eat it, flow. Get it. Okay guys, so we are back from the market. I mean, the place is too crowded, I couldn't do a vlog, I couldn't take a video of us buying the stuff. However, I decided to go with this. I wanted some bar stools, but I don't know. I think I'm regretting it. Let's see if it's going to work. And also we ended up getting a dining table that is here. I mean, the place is a bit small for us. Anyways, yeah, I have to put this, arrange this, put the curtains in, and then that's it. So I ended up going with this dining set. I wanted some brown since the tables are brown. I wanted beige, but I couldn't get that. It's hard finding stuff, especially rug. I mean, I'm looking for at cream or a beige rug to work with this because I don't want white exactly. I want off-white rug so that it can brighten up the living space a bit since the chairs, the sofas are brown, dark brown. So that's what I wanted, but as it is, it's hard. I was only able to find like some grayish kind of rugs. I think I'll probably have to work with that, but I don't want to. And also I've been looking for a center table, a very nice one, but we couldn't get that, so yeah, obviously. And also the washing machine, it was not planned for it, so we decided to just fix it here, even though we can't do anything about it because it can't go inside the shelves. It's too short because the window is a bit low, so the counters are a bit short, so we just have to leave it here, and the bathroom is small for us to put it there, so we just have to do it here. So yeah guys, so I did some cleaning as I told you earlier on. So yeah guys, so I did some cleaning as I told you earlier, and I think the only thing I need to do is, after arranging the place, I'm just going to do a final cleanup, and that would be it. So yeah, I'm a bit hungry. I think I'm going to grab something to eat, but probably later. So I just have to do this, finish things up, and then I'll be done. So I am heading out right now. It's next day, of course, and I am going to get a rug. Yesterday we couldn't get the rug. We only got the dining and the stools, which you saw. And also, I did go back in the evening. I found one, but not exactly what I wanted. But I think it's gonna work, since if I want exactly what I want, then I'm gonna spend a whole year here trying to look for that, but at least I think that one will do. So that's what I'm going for right now, and then I'll come back and finish washing the bathrooms, and also what else? Yeah, just do some last minute stuffs because I have to go back tomorrow for the Christmas, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I'm trying to make a decision with taking this one or the other one. So I don't know. So it's actually late and I'm going to sleep right now, and I thought maybe to give you guys an overview of what is here or what I have done right now. Hey guys, so this is what we have pretty much. Though the curtains are not long, but I mean they're okay for now. And then we have this chairs, the sofas this side, but I'm gonna put the carpet later on. And then we have this side, and there's the kitchen. And yeah, this is the view from this side. And there's the table. So yeah guys, I am going to sleep. This is pretty much what I have. I did get some vases today and some flowers. I'm going to be doing the decorations later after Christmas because I am going back to Gambia for Christmas, and yeah, that's it guys. But anyways guys, that's it. What I just wanted to say, this is in my apartment. Who told you I am moving out of my parents' house at what, 25, 24? No, 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 no. That's not an African parent for you. The only thing that is taking me out of the house is a what? So yeah guys, so as I said in my previous video, I think the first video, that 2 videos behind, I think. I said that we started a family project, and that's what I went. That was my first trip in Senegal since I came back. But now that it's done, so we were furnishing the place, one apartment unit, so then we can give the other ones for rent. So that's basically why we came over, and we're going back tomorrow. So I didn't have time to freshen up and give you guys an outro, so I just wanted to do the outro and let you guys know, yeah, it's not mine. Forget the title, it's not mine, which I hear. But yeah guys, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've watched this video till the end, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And also update, my skin is getting better. If you watch my previous video, you will know I had contact allergy due to body wash, and I was peeling like a reptile, like a snake, but now I am okay and I'm grateful to God. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, you guys. Let's get to 1K. Bye bye.